Hey guys, Tim here, just working from home. And out front, I've got Big Blue, Longyear's mobile shop. Come check it out. Inside, we've got just about every tool we could need. If it's not in here, it's in my garage. And I'm working on the bench that was inside the Pleasant View Summerhouse. The Pleasant View gazebo, or Summerhouse as Mary Baker Eddy would have known it, was on the front lawn of her home on Pleasant Street in Concord, New Hampshire. Mary Baker Eddy lived here from 1891 to 1908 before moving to Chestnut Hill, Massachusetts. This gazebo would have been a beautiful feature of the extensive gardens at Pleasant View. According to John Salkow's reminiscence in We Knew Mary Baker Eddy Volume 2, rambler roses were trained to grow up the sides. This summer house now lives on the grounds of the Longyear Museum and is available for guests and visitors to enjoy year-round. Over the last 100 years or so, this summer house has seen a lot of weather and has needed some restoration. In 2018, 2 volunteers joined Longyear employees in a first phase of the work. Last summer, Longyear staff continued the project on the railing assemblies and posts. This summer, we are making repairs to the bench. We're stripping some of the paint off and getting it ready to do rot repair wherever needed. We'll get this thing all cleaned up, set to go, reinstalled, and when Longyear Museum's back open, you can come on out and check it out. Thanks.